Old School Balisong here for another unboxing. I'm opening the box with my CRKT Scribe. I love this little knife. Always in my bag. It's a nifty little carbon fiber pocket clip, lanyard. Anyway, what's in the box? It's nothing fancy. This is the reason I go by Old School Balisong. We have here an Old School Balisong. Coincidence? No. I'm not sure of the vintage of this one. What does she look like? Oh, it's stiff. I don't think she's been used much. She's a big one. We've got some patina on the blade. You see that? If anyone out there knows how to tell the vintage of these, I'd appreciate it. Because I was guessing this one was from the 80s. But from the stiffness of this, I mean, look at that. Stiffness of the latch, I'd say this one's relatively new. I don't know which region of the Philippines it's from, but she's a beauty and double-edged too. I might try to break her in a bit because I like all my Balisongs to be at least functioning before I display them. Anyway, Old School Balisong unboxing an Old School Balisong.